Introducing you the Halloween cats in costume. These 3 amigurumi patterns are free on the website and you can find the links in the description of this video or here in the top right corner. Hello there, it's Anna here and welcome to Little Crochet Farm. I couldn't manage to shoot the video tutorial for these cats, but the links for the patterns are in the description of this video. It's a collection for Halloween and I work the cat Dracula, which is this pretty one. I didn't add the tail here, but you can add. There is written pattern for the tail as well in the website. The link is in the description. The second one here that it's part of this collection is the cat skeleton, which is also worked from the bottom to the head, and you add later the tail and the ears, and you work some embroidering chains on the surface here later on. Alright, it's all detailed also in the reading pattern. And the third one is the mummy cat. So this cat, it's very simple to crochet, and at the end you wrap around the bandages, and there's 3 bandages that we work here. Alright, so all the links that you can find is here in the description of the video. They will take to the website. As always, I work with a 2mm crochet hook, but you can adapt this hook to make it larger of these patterns if you want. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this collection, you have some fun, and I see you in the next video. Bye!